We must send in Thunderbird, just the way it show on, so we put here our email address and verify it. Accept the permissions. We need to go to configuration of Thunderbird settings in the section of end-to-end encryptation. And we're going to add the key, create key, and we will set 1 year of expression time, for example. We confirm the option and the key just set it up. For informative purposes, I'm going to revoke the key, edit the status where the key is no longer available, and we cannot restore it unless we have a copy. Also, the previous messages sent by this key will be available, and all people with the key will be notified. Now we're going to create another key, just the same way we have created the last one. Now to send it to another person, we go to send public key to email. I'm going to send it to Joanna, my classmate. And now she's going to have my public key if she import. Now to import another person key, we're going to PHP key manager, file, and import from file. Select the file and follow this option from below. And in here, key, select this option from below and it's done. Now we're going to send an email with digital sign. And we're going to send another message the same way, with the option encrypt enable. The option encrypt will toggle these other options. And the message received with encryptation and digital signature will show on this way. Okay, people, so that's all. Goodbye and have a good day.